Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Raw Mango Girlies. It's me and Neeti again on your screen. And August happens to be, correct me if I'm wrong, Neeti, Love and Awareness Month or Romance Awareness, something like that.
It is love and awareness month. It's basically romance. It's all about romance.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
all about romance, and this is a coincidence that we wanted to talk about rom-com movies and romance and our idea of love that we got influenced from rom-com in August. So I think it's a perfect time to talk about it. So I
Yeah.
welcome you to the podcast, I guess, because it's just the two of us today, which is, fun, whatever.
Because we have interesting rom-com ideologies which
Yeah.
we can discuss.
Being problematic. We'll talk about it. Okay. So since I started the intro, I'll start with the first question. Okay.
Okay.
Which is very interesting one. Actually, I want to know this, that what was the first Bollywood slash Hollywood rom-com that made you believe in love? I don't think it'll be Hollywood. I just kept it
Yeah.
there just in case. But
Yeah.
yeah, what was your first love movie, I guess?
So I think accumulation of all the like जो हमने 90s के बच्चों ने rom-com देखा, it's accumulation of everything. So भले भले ही वो कुछ कुछ होता हो या फिर हम आपके हैं कौन हो, मैंने प्यार किया हो, DDLJ हो, अ, तुम बिन हो, या फिर जाने तू या जाने ना हो, like everything. I think it's accumulation of everything which made me believe time again and again कि हाँ यार प्यार अच्छी
प्यार
चीज है,
होता है, कुछ
प्यार
कुछ
होता
होता
है,
है,
कुछ
तुम नहीं
कुछ होता
समझोगे.
है. हाँ.
Well, mine was not a movie actually.
Yeah.
Mine was वो सीरियल आते थे ना स्टार वन में. So bad. But
वो वाला डिंग 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 डिंग.
पूरा गाना आता है, but it's fine. I will not sing. I still remember the words. But दिल मिल गए was my
दिल.
idea of love. मैं डॉक्टर तो नहीं बनने वाली थी. Like there was
Yeah.
no way I was becoming a doctor, but I thought that I'll get my Arman because of
है ना?
दिल.
नहीं
Huh?
यार, वो कितना क्यूट लगता था वो. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि, और तब ना वो डॉक्टर वाला वर्क भी कितना इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था. मुझे लगता था वाह यार, ये कूल लाइक वर्क कल्चर है यहाँ पर. प्यार भी हो रहा है, रिलैक्स भी कर रहे हैं, पेशेंट भी देख रहे हैं, सब हो रहा है एक साथ. चिल
पापा
एनवायरनमेंट.
इतना चिढ़ते थे ना दिल मिल गए से. I used to तब, like, I didn't have my private TV. My, like, parents
या.
had this rule that there'll just be one TV in the house. So I
या.
had to watch everything in front of my parents, and I was obsessed with Dil Mil Gaye.
या.
And then I used to watch it. It used to come after dinner, like 8 साढ़े 8 का टेलीकास्ट होता
हाँ
था.
हाँ
And
हाँ.
मेरे पापा थे, ये लोग डॉक्टर है कि क्या कर रहे हैं, पेशेंट का क्या हो रहा है.
यार तुझे, मुझे इससे याद आया, तूने कभी हिप हिप होरे देखा है?
No, but I know of Pipipure, but
है
I
ना?
haven't.
तो
Yeah.
मुझे ऑफ कोर्स मैंने थोड़ा लेट देखा था, जब एकदम से आया था तब नहीं देखा. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार स्कूल में कोई ऐसी लव स्टोरी, या कॉलेज में लाइक फ्रेंड्स के बीच, और लाइक कुछ तो लाइक अमेजिंग सा एक सेटिंग रहेगी, एक कुछ कुछ अमेजिंग सा मेरा लव स्टोरी होगा. हालांकि कुछ हुआ नहीं, बट हाँ, ये सारे रेफरेंस थे मेरे जो मेरे को बहुत डिल्यूजनल रखते थे.
Same.
हाँ, ये था मेरे साथ.
I think we talked about this, but this is what being in love looks like. Like
यस.
डॉक्टर मुझे पता, मेरे को ये था. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing, but मुझे ये था कि मुझे शर्माना पड़ेगा, like this. Like I wanted someone to look at me. Like,
या.
वो सब रुक जाता है. वो that
या.
typical thing where the guy is just looking at you and you're doing your
या.
work. And
या.
हवाएं चल रही है. I really wanted that to happen to me. Not
यार ये
once.
वही वाला सीजन, ये वाला वो कौन सा है, वो संजीवनी था आई थिंक, जिसमें उस
Yeah,
कैरेक्टर का नाम जूही था.
Juhi and
है ना?
Rahul.
राहुल. मुझे जूही, मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हो गई थी उस कैरेक्टर से कि मुझे अपना नाम चेंज करके जूही रखना था. अगर ईशा, तो ये पॉडकास्ट देख रही है, जो ईशा मेरी फ्रेंड थी लाइक स्कूल में, तो उसको पता होगा, क्योंकि मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हो गई. मैंने कहा यार, मैं अपना नाम जूही रख देती हूँ. जूही रख लूंगी तो प्यार
Also,
में.
Sanjeevni was a bit more realistic than Dil Mil Gaye.
It was realistic, yeah.
Sanjeevni में, I think equal. It was obviously, we all know it was trying to do a Grey's Anatomy kind of a
Yeah.
Hindi version of
Yeah.
that. So it
Yeah.
was more close. It was closer to Grey's Anatomy. संजीवनी दिल
Yeah.
मिल गया तो बिल्कुल ही अलग trope में चला गया था.
वो
End
अलग उसमें था.
how that ends, I don't know if you know this, but end में terrorist attack हो जाता है संजीवनी में, and like Riddhima and Arman die together. Okay, now tell me, like, which Bollywood moment did you want for yourself to happen in terms of your love life? Like
बहुत ही
any.
embarrassing.
नहीं बता, मेरा सबसे embarrassing है. I think you already know mine, but I'll listen to yours
Why,
first.
no, why don't we start with you? फिर उसके बाद मैं अपना
मेरा
embarrassing.
तो वो था घड़ी में चुन्नी अटक जाए बस किसी के.
मैं अभी गई थी कॉन्सर्ट में, राइट? सो लाइक मी एंड माय कलीग वी वर टुगेदर, एंड लाइक यूजुअली व्हेन यू गो टू कॉन्सर्ट्स एंड ऑल, दिलुलु मन तो है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ यार, लाइक आई हैव माय मोमेंट. तो कैसे होगा मोमेंट? क्योंकि वो बोल रही थी तू तो ऐसे नाच रही थी कि तू ही अकेले है वहां पर.
मैं भी ऐसी
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आसपास कौन है नहीं है.
moment, like पहले तो मैं still like try to like move very sexy. After a moment अब पूरे डांस शुरू हो जाता है मेरा. Yes. Okay, now I think success, like love was already Delulu because of that, but I think
Yeah.
success was also somewhat formed because of movies, especially Bollywood. Like, did that influence your idea of success at all?
Yeah,
Looking
it
at
actually did in a very good way, I would say. In not in a very उस चीज में इम्पैक्ट मेरा अच्छा था, दिलुलूपन अच्छा था उस चीज में. बिकॉज लाइक मूवीज लाइक जैसे तुम बिन एक मूवी आई थी, तो दिस में दिस फीमेल कैरेक्टर, उसका
प्रियांशु, हिमांशु, सुधांशु सब थे.
यस वो तीनों, ठीक है. तो वो उसका पार्टनर मर जाता है, एंड देन शी कैरी फॉरवर्ड द बिजनेस, अपना अपने हिसाब से उसका आगे ले जाती है, एंड शी टेक केयर्स लाइक. तो वो फिर, या फिर वो मूवी थी ना वो हम तुम, उसमें उसका हस्बैंड मर जाता है, राइट? एंड देन शी ओपन्स अप हर बुटीक, है ना, Paris. So I think for me that was success. Like it kind of also gave me this thing कि हाँ यार, like you have to be that female person being uh, having a career of her own was success to me in a way that oh, she's doing
Right.
things, or
Yeah.
she have a stand, and उसको तो मेरे लिए अच्छे वे से वो वर्क किया. आई थिंक जब हमारे टाइम पे वो स्लोली वो चेंज हो रहा था, राइट? लाइक व्हेन there were female character who were working in the film or series,
Yes.
they had a voice. तो वो आई थिंक दैट वाज जो ट्रांजिशन हो रहा था, तो कैरेक्टर में भी ट्रांजिशन हो रहा था, डेवलपमेंट हो रहा था मेरे कैरेक्टर का.
Like this reminds me, I was watching like a thing on Instagram or somewhere. I think I was reading an article where all the, I think तेरे feed में भी आया होगा at some point, where all the, all the women who are kind of like career oriented and independent and all of that, who are villainized in Bollywood films.
बॉलीवुड. तो जब मैं अब सोचती हूँ, व्हेन आई लुक बैक, तो मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी सीरीज में ये कोमोलिका टाइप के लोग थे ना, उनको ईविल कर देते थे, जबकि वो इतने ईविल थे नहीं. दे probably had boundaries.
Like the things they did were obviously obnoxious.
Of course it was wrong. वो तो script
wanted was fine, like family से separate, like joint family में नहीं रहना.
Yeah.
Property में equal हिस्सा चाहिए, cause why?
Equal हिस्सा. वो ना वो फिल्म नहीं थी हम साथ साथ है, उसमें वो उसकी फ्रेंड थी, जो आंटी की फ्रेंड्स. वो आंटी की फ्रेंड सही थी एक्चुअली, व्यू पॉइंट में.
He was absolutely right. उसने बोला था सबको अलग अलग एक घर दे दो.
हाँ.
Everybody, but नहीं, हम तो साथ जी जान, सब खाना भी साथ, नहाएंगे भी साथ, सब साथ में करेंगे. Dude, honeymoon भी साथ में जाते हैं. I was like, bro. और मुझे बचपन में ये बात बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आई थी. मैं तो गा रही थी
ABCDEFGHIJKLM NOPQRSTUVWX I love you.
You cannot not complete this song. Oh God.
Bollywood careers that made absolutely no sense. ठीक है. How does Rahul afford that house? What do you think?
In London.
कैसे लगता है तुझे उस वक्त कैसे उसने किया?
So I feel like he had a trust fund. मेरे को उससे ज्यादा ये लगता है कि उसने फटाफट सबका वीजा PR कैसे कर लिया लंदन में.
पता नहीं कैसे, और पूरा एकदम इतना बड़ा घर तो बनाया ही बनाया, जॉब भी अच्छी है उसकी, ठीक है, सब उसको जानते भी हैं, इतना उसने सोसाइटी में अपना एक प्रेजेंस भी, कैसे ये सब कर लिया उसने अकेले?
यार everything is fine. I'm just like, how did he manage to get Daijan's PR in London?
भगवान मालिक है यार। पहले तो और टफ होता था, इन्होंने इतना हमें पागल बनाया ना ये सब दिखा दिखा करके। ओ विदेश जाओ, सब अच्छे से होता है विदेश में, सब इजी है, एवरीथिंग इज इजी इन विदेश। होता नहीं है ऐसा, हम विदेश में बैठे हैं, हमें पता है। मेरे को तो लगता था, जेन्युइनली बताऊं, ये तुझे क्या, व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन अंजलि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल? डिड यू लाइक हर?
Which one? K3G1 or कुछ कुछ होता है one?
कुछ कुछ होता वाली।
The Kajal's character, right?
हम्म,
I think she was. I wouldn't be her friend
सेम
before and after transformation both.
सेम। मुझे तो अनोइंग लगती थी वो। मुझे
Before,
रानी मुखर्जी अच्छी लगती थी, वो टीना।
या
मैं
मेरे को
उसकी
ऐसी
दोस्त
लड़कियां
थी।
बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है जो बोलती कि मैं तो बिल्कुल लड़कियों की तरह नहीं हूँ। आई डोंट लाइक सच ए पिक मी बिहेवियर। और फिर ब्रेकअप, पहले तो कुछ उसका दिल कुछ बोला ही नहीं उसने राहुल को, ऐसी ही अपना ही विक्टिम बन के चली गई। तुम क्यों अपना कॉलेज छोड़ के गई हो? एक टेक्निकली शी नेवर ग्रेजुएटेड, सो विल शी एवर
वही
गेट
ना।
एनीवेयर?
हाउ कैन फॉर, या ऑफ कोर्स फॉर टीचिंग के लिए उस टाइम से भी यू हैव टू हैव लाइक बीएड डन एंड एवरीथिंग। तो उसने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं था, तो पता नहीं वो क्या कर रही थी, और स्पोर्ट्स टीचर भी नहीं बन सकती थी वो। अच्छा एक बात बता, लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि ये जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स थे हमारी बॉलीवुड फिल्म में, ठीक है, ये वेकेशन मनाने के लिए विदेश कैसे पहुंच जाते थे, और इनको इतनी छुट्टियां कैसे मिलती थी यार?
यार बट लाइक छुट्टियां तो पता नहीं मुझे, बट डोंट यू थिंक विदेश ज्यादा अमीर लोग के कैरेक्टर्स ही जाते थे? सो मे बी दैट काइंड
नहीं, बट जब वो जो लव सॉन्ग्स होते थे बीच बीच में,
ऑफ। ओ
उसमें
वो
वो विदेश में नहीं करते थे, लाइक सडनली यू विल सी लाइक कि बिल्कुल ही एकदम पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं, स्नो दिख रही है। कश्मीर नहीं है, तुम्हें ये पता है। सो कहीं तो जाते थे ये।
यार मेरे को पता है कब शौक लगा, तो ये विदेश जाना छोड़, जो ये फॉरेन लोकेशन में जाके बोलते थे ये इंडिया है, ठीक है, एक तो कोई मिल गया, उसमें बैंफ पहुंचे हुए थे भाई, और हमें बोला था क्या है वो, कसौली है। कसौली गए, मैंने बोला कहाँ है ये? Where is this blue water that they showed? कोई मिल गया, हमें जो बैंफ में नाचते हैं। कनाडा आके मुझे पता चला, ओह माय गॉड।
एक मेरे संग टॉक्सिक ट्रेड भी है। ड्रीम तो मैं ये मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, बट बिहेवियर मेरा बिल्कुल जैसे उसकी तरह, वो जो कल होना हो में वो लड़की नहीं होती है कि तू मेरी इंसल्ट कैसे कर सकता है, मुझे पता है मैं ऐसी हूँ, तू कैसे बोल रहा है, तो मैं लड़ने में आ जाती हूँ बिल्कुल। मतलब कि मैं गर्ली कैसे बनूं यार।
नहीं जानती। हाँ।
सो वो भी एक एक बैलेंस आउट नहीं हो पाता है। ज्यादा कोई इंटरेस्ट दिखाएगा तो मैं ही ओवरवेलम हो जाती हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कुछ तो, कुछ है दाल में, कुछ काला है। ये भी बॉलीवुड से ही मिला है हमें।
Yep.
या
Did you ever want to be a part of any Bollywood friendship gang?
यार, फॉर मी इट वाजंट बॉलीवुड, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। लाइक आई वाज एक्सपोज टू फ्रेंड्स, एंड
Hmm.
फॉर मी, मेरे लिए फ्रेंड्स ही वाज माय फर्स्ट सेट मार्क, बेंच मार्क जो आप बोलते हो ना, ऑफ फ्रेंड्स। एंड वो मेरे लिए एक्चुअली इट वाजंट फैंटेसी आल्सो, बिकॉज टच वुड, लाइक आई हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ ग्रुप, आई स्टिल हैव।
Hmm.
So I lived my friends' vibe, somehow, like most of it, I would say. So it was really nice. So I think Friends is very realistic series. Like if you have group of friends, that's the vibe.
Yeah. I think for me it was, again, I don't think any Bollywood. I really liked Dil Chahta Hai mein तीनों का equation,
Yeah,
but that was a very bro vibe for me.
yeah,
But I think I really like how you got influenced with Friends. I was like, How I Met Your Mother was
yes,
another series for me where it was like, yeah, this is my gang. Like I want to
yeah,
be gang. I want to chill with
yeah.
me and everything. And then Bollywood में like I don't think female friendships were shown a lot because वहाँ पे
Hmm.
चिढ़े होते थे लड़की एक दूसरे से. It's sad because I can like अभी के movies में there are a few, but like
There are abhi ke movies mein. I'm trying
I
to
don't know,
remember
I
actually.
can't remember any 90s. I think Ishq में like they showed like a good friendship between Kajol
Yeah,
and he.
and but वो भी खराब हो गई ना, like
Like she doubts
उसमें
her, like something, some
Yeah.
misunderstanding.
Okay. First of all, talking about sex all the time is not female friendship. And talking about your body is only
You're
on.
thinking about Thank You for Coming. I'm talking about Veere the Wedding, Kareena
नो
wala.
वीरे दी वेडिंग हो या फिर थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हो या फिर वो वाली फिल्म थी ना जिसमें वो 4 more shots हो, ठीक है. I think none of that. I'm telling you, na, like for me, why I was able to relate with friends because they were like very realistic to me.
Yeah.
They were like vulnerable and they were not trying to become something else. They were owning up their mistake and they were just normal people. Like you could relate to them even if you watch it, right? Like, but जैसे वीरे दी wedding देख ले या फिर 4 more shots देख ले. I am not able to relate to them most of the times because for me it is like wow, like but other kind of wow.
मैं तो कपड़ों और लाइफस्टाइल से नहीं रिलेट कर
वही
पाती हूँ.
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं रिलेट ही नहीं कर सकती लाइक. सो
बातें तो फिर
वो
भी तो
कर सकते हो जैसे, बट आई थिंक दिल धड़कने दो में वो जो 2 फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स थी ना, प्रियंका
अनुष्का.
चोपड़ा एंड अनुष्का, दे वर मोर रिलेटेबल, दे वर लाइक मोर ह्यूमन एंड not trying to be somebody. You can relate with their emotion and their decisions and all that.
About since we talked about tragedy and love, like who would you not date from the Bollywood world characters? Like
Most of them, I think.
yeah,
कोई भी ऐसा नहीं
but
है
इससे
जो.
तो भाग like at point पे like maybe I really wanted to date Shah Rukh's character from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, but now
Yeah.
I'm not. In the recent times, it's sad, but like people still find Kabir and Arjun Reddy's character very hot, apparently. Uh,
नहीं यार.
so it's like किस किस कैरेक्टर से लगता है कि भाई मैं तो उससे बात भी नहीं करूं, like मुंह भी ना लगूं type.
हाँ
Maybe
जी.
from recent. Okay, let's not go to the 90s because most characters were problematic in the 90s.
Yeah.
But अभी भी ऐसी movies बन रही है, sadly,
2 तो
unfortunately.
तूने बोल ही दिया ना, कबीर
Okay,
सिंह
then,
एंड
yeah.
दिस.
But there can also be some characters disguised as green flag, but they're not really. Can you think of any character like that?
यार मुझे वो ये जो इनकी थी ना, अभय देओल वाली जो फिल्म थी, दिल कौन सी थी वो?
मेरे दिमाग में वही था.
व्हाट वाज दैट फिल्म?
जिंदगी मिलेगी
जिंदगी
दोबारा.
ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
It's
या
not a green
ये
flag.
दोनों ही रेड फ्लैग थे, ऋतिक रोशन और अभय देओल. मेरे को ये दोनों रेड फ्लैग, इनफैक्ट मेरे को वो लड़का रेड फ्लैग नहीं लगता था जिनको इन्होंने रेड फ्लैग पोर्ट्रे करने की कोशिश
Farhan
करी थी.
Akhtar was the most
फरहान अख्तर द मोस्ट इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट मैन जो मुझे
character,
लगा.
very sorted in his
या
head. Um,
या
like, but Abhay Deol ne to, or which again talking about villainizing women.
या
Imagine, yeah, you're on a boys' trip and you see your guy picking up some random girl in Godi, all drunk and drenched. How will you feel? He was not ready to propose. So वो बोल सकता था, I need few more years, I want to do this and that, and then get married. अभी मैं तेरे को गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं रखना. Like, what was the need to be like, हाँ मैंने propose ही किया है, this ring is
वो
not.
मतलब भाई ना, वो होता है ना वो सोसाइटल इमेज क्रिएशन. वो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इवन इन रियल लाइफ रिलेशनशिप्स में होता है, राइट? लाइक दे प्रोजेक्ट समथिंग एल्स, दे विल नॉट बी दैट पर्सन, बट दे प्रोजेक्ट दैट बिकॉज दे वांट यू टू फील गुड अबाउट देम कि हम तो सही इंसान है टाइप्स.
And my main problem with Hrithik Roshan's character is उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड वही बोलती है जो कटरीना कैफ बोलती है, ठीक है? उसको एकदम से समझ आ गया कटरीना कैफ की बात. I don't know if it was like she was hotter or he was on a vacation so he was like more relaxed. I don't know what, but उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड यही बोल रही है कि like live your life, don't work, I need your time and attention. But कटरीना कैफ ने तुम कैसे पता तुम 40 तक जिंदा रहोगे करती है. And
नहीं
he
यार, उसको कितना बुरा दिखाया. शी वाज सेइंग दैट इट्स माय बर्थडे अर्जुन, है ना? और वो बोल रहा है कि बर्थडे तो आते लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट. उसको इतना स्मॉल कर दिया, लाइक उसके उसके लाइफ का वो एक पार्ट है. लाइक हर इंसान के लाइफ में उसका बर्थडे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है यार. सम
yeah,
पीपल सेलिब्रेट, सम पीपल डोंट. बट
yeah.
यू आर नो वन टू डिसाइड ना कि उसका बर्थडे कम इम्पोर्टेंट है या नहीं है.
And
So
how is she wrong for wanting it to spend with her partner?
exactly, isn't that companionship?
Yeah, like I would want to spend if I have a boyfriend, I would want to spend my birthday with my boyfriend.
Same.
And
And
मुझे
my
पता
girlfriends
लगेगा
too,
अगर उसको
but
याद नहीं होगा और अगर उसने कुछ और प्लान्स बना लिए तो इसमें मैं विलन या बिच हो गई तो ठीक है.
हाँ, फिर चाहिए ही नहीं ना. फिर क्यों चाहिए हमें कंपेनियनशिप?
फिर अकेले ही मनाना है तो ठीक है. तुम
हाँ,
क्या करते हो मेरी लाइफ में जाओ.
जाओ वही.
ना वो फाइनेंस ब्रो बन के पैसे
या
इडियट.
So yes, both those two character.
Okay, which one would you actually date from anything, 90s or abhi? Abhi हमने I know briefly discuss किया, but like which one from the recent times maybe any movie that you watch be like मुझे तो ये चाहिए. It can also be like any Hollywood. I would date
Oh,
the
हॉलीवुड मूवी रिसेंट टाइम में?
not sure
और देख
about.
मेरी आंखों की चमक देख.
Yeah, I want that guy from Nobody Wants This.
I want Nobody Wants This का वाला guy with the combination of वो जो है ना the people we meet when we travel something some movie which came
Oh,
the
vacation. Yeah, I know what you're talking
vacation वाला
about.
हाँ.
Maybe
So
on vacation.
yes, so I want like the bond like that, like a very friendly dynamic जिसमें वो they can dance and they can chill out and they can fight with each other and there's like bro वाला feeling mixed with Nobody Wants This.
Little quotient of
Emotional quotient
yeah.
and maturity and vibe. Yeah, so वो दोनों का combination चाहिए. That is my dream boy, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, agreed. I
Hmm.
want that too.
तू बता.
Recent. I remember thinking to myself कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. I forgot, but yeah, Nobody Wants This is one of the thing
Yeah.
that I really like. Oh, I told you the voicemails from Isabel.
Isabel, oh yeah, that character, he's a green forest man.
वो
That guy.
चाहिए कि
वो
वो
तो
इतना वॉइसमेल के चक्कर में ही आ जाए मेरे शहर कि
यार
आए.
तुझे पता है मैं चलो मैं बोलती हूँ थोड़ा तो वेंट करूंगी ही लड़कों के बारे में अब ये कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है बट जैसे नोबडी वांट्स दिस हमने जब देखा कितना मेच्योर कैरेक्टर दिखाया दैट लाइक ऑफ कोर्स यू आर इन योर 30s एंड इफ यू आर डेटिंग यू ऑल हैव बैगेज लाइक कुछ ना कुछ तो रहेगा तुम्हारे पास तो उसमें कितना रियल दिखाया दैट दीज टू पीपल मीट एंड दे एक्चुअली स्पीक अबाउट देयर पास्ट एंड दे स्पीक अबाउट हु दे आर एंड
and everything.
व्हाट दे आर बिकमिंग सो दे वो सारे अपना इनहिबिशन सारी वल्नरेबिलिटी करते हैं मुझे लगता है कि अभी जो डेटिंग एक तो मैंने कभी ऑनलाइन डेटिंग इतनी करी नहीं है अब मैं जब ये डेटिंग वर्ल्ड में आई हूँ ठीक है अनफॉर्चुनेटली तो मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर तो ऐसे लगता है नाप तोल के बोलो कि ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था ये बोलना चाहिए था इतना नहीं शो कर सकते इतना शो कर सकते हैं मैं तो फिट इन ही नहीं हो पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं तो फर्स्ट डेट पे शुरू हो जाती हूँ बोलना
But ऐसी होना चाहिए ना if you're dating with intention of marriage or anything long term.
या
I'm not saying first date में ही भर दो या ऐसे कुछ करो, but
या
I'm just saying that then you need to know the person inside out because you want to spend the rest of the life with this person.
Exactly, right? I also feel the same. I also feel
They're
that,
not
like,
about everything.
yeah, I mean, I want to be just me. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I
Useless.
don't want to, I want to be myself. If I can't be myself when I'm meeting you, then you can't even be my friend. Forget about relationship, right? So मुझे तो ऐसा personally लगता है कि I'm just going to be me. I don't know, like मैं ऐसा कोई plan करके नहीं जा रही हूँ that this is the certain points I'm going to bring up. These are the points I won't bring up. And पता नहीं मेरा दिमाग ऐसा लगता है if somebody is going to be overwhelmed by me
Yeah.
by that so might as well go because you're going to get overwhelmed with me after 6 months also ना मेरे को ऐसे why should I drag it 6 महीने तक why should I pretend who I am not sort of
Yeah, I don't think you should because क्या
तो मेरे को तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं समझ में आता आजकल के डेटिंग वर्ल्ड में बिकॉज लाइक आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड एंड वो भी कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं दैट oh you should not like open all your cards and you should not say everything about you because it can overwhelm you should give time and take things like one day at a time और मुझे लगता है इतना सोच के तो मैंने अगर इतनी प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग करी होती तो अभी मैं पॉलिटिक्स में होती समझ रही हो? नेता होती मैं अभी ठीक है इतनी मैंने प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग करी होती तो मैं नेता होती कहीं की
Oh God, that's true, man. That's true. इतना सोचा होता तो yeah.
मतलब इतना कौन सोचता है यार मेरे से और आजकल का ये भी हो गया है ना दैट पीपल वांट टू नो यू बट दे डोंट वांट टू नो यू आल्सो
Yeah.
सब ऊपर ऊपर से
Yeah.
तो कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि आई डू मिस द बॉलीवुड स्पार्क एंड
Yeah,
आई
because that was like one जो भी हो, पागलों की तरह पीछा करते थे, स्टॉक करते थे, दैट्स बैड,
Yeah.
बट एटलीस्ट दे वर वन वुमन मैन जिसे बोलते हैं, लाइक
Right, there's not like multiple option नहीं चल रहे कि ओ एक थोड़ा सा कुछ हुआ. Nobody wants to come, exactly, nobody wants to come middle ground भाई. पता ही नहीं है, कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है यहाँ पर मिडिल ग्राउंड का. और मेरे संग तो ये भी हुआ है, like I've told people that I want to take it slow, or I want, like I want to, of course I don't want to marry anyone for the sake of marrying them. I want to take it slow. तो want to take it slow का मतलब ये थोड़ी ना होता कि एफर्ट ही मत डालो. डालो ना एफर्ट.
I think it's that, and also like respect also comes to play,
Yeah.
where you're not respecting anybody's time or like the effort, where
Yeah.
you're like, oh, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. Recently, what happened with, sorry to say, but मैं तो phone ही नहीं देखता. I don't look at my phone a lot or like whatever, like I'm not that kind of a text guy. First of all, what is this? I'm not a text person. Everybody is a text person. And I've had people who've, even friends, not just like guys, I've seen, like, I've had people tell me, oh, I don't like texting. Should we just like talk on like
Yeah.
phone call? And absolutely fine. If you don't like
Yeah.
texting, at least one of the, you cannot not be both. You cannot not
Exactly.
be like, you can't be like, oh, I hate texting and I also hate calling and fuck off. Like,
Yeah.
ये क्या
वही मैं
मतलब?
बोल रही हूँ ना, like I can relate to this because मैं कभी कभी तेरे को मुंह उठाकर फोन कर देती हूँ वीडियो कॉल,
Yeah.
right? Because I just want to talk. There is nothing like कोई ऐसा substantial कोई planning नहीं है that we have to talk about these things. But even in friendship, that's how you connect with somebody, na? That's how you stay connected because you're putting some sort of effort. Yeah.
So these are situations in Bollywood movies which we have seen. And
Yeah.
obviously, what would you do if that happens to you, kind of a thing?
Yeah.
Or like, what do you think of this? So do you think love at first sight happens? Keep or delete?
Tricky. I think I'll keep it. Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
keep
What
it
about you?
because Aditya Roy Kapoor exists. If he didn't exist, then I wouldn't keep it.
I'll keep it because I feel energies are something, so I'll keep it. Yeah.
Okay. You're talk. Okay, yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about this enemies to lovers trope? Would you want that to happen? Would you keep or would you
I
delete?
don't have that much of time. Delete. इतना नहीं है मेरे पास वक्त.
I
What
think I'll
about you?
keep it.
You'll keep it. एक टॉक्सिक चाहिए ड्रामा पूरा इसको. पूरा ड्रामा चाहिए. पूरी वहीं पर दिल मिल गए चाहिए इसको.
Okay. Childhood sweethearts, keep it.
Keep it. They're
Yeah.
very cute. Yeah. Keep it.
Grand gestures.
So what do you mean by grand gestures here? First, tell me that.
Outside a house with a boombox.
I'll keep it.
I am someone who's more interested in the little things, so I
Yeah.
would delete it. I hate attention. I don't want grand gestures. Thank you very much. तभी भी नहीं मिलता कोई. Jealousy.
Red flag.
Yeah, I'll
For
also.
me, it is red flag.
Before मुझे लगता था कि little jealousy is cute, but now I think it can lead to bigger problems
Yeah.
in the future.
Yeah.
The mysterious man.
And red flag.
Delete. वो मैं बोलती हूँ nonchalant. Delete.
Yeah, वही nonchalant जो है. Red flag, no.
The bad boy. Delete. Hut.
Delete. हट चाहिए ही नहीं.
Long distance love. I think it depends on the person.
It depends. Yeah, it depends. I don't know. I have zero opinion on that, to be honest.
I've been in long distance relationship. It didn't end well for me, but I'd still make that effort for the guy I love if it happens in the future. Running through an airport, I love it.
See, that's a grand gesture, which probably I will be very overwhelmed.
नहीं पता तुम भाग रहे हो कि तुम्हारी फ्लाइट मिस हो रही है. No one knows because everybody's running at the airport. Rain confession.
What is rain confession?
बारिश में.
I don't like rain. Delete.
Yeah, I hate
For
rain.
me, delete.
नहीं पसंद. Okay. Serenading someone.
नहीं, delete.
I would like them to serenade me in private.
Yeah, no. I'm not like मेरे को नहीं चाहिए.
शुरू हो जाओ, but सबके सामने नहीं.
नहीं, हाँ. Awkward मत करो.
Parents disapproving, like it's keep because
I'll keep.
They see something, that's why. Yeah. So I'd keep. I can change him.
Red flag. Red flag in you if you think you can change him.
Yeah, I am the
Yeah.
problem if I think I can change him for sure.
Yeah.
You cannot change anyone.
No.
Love triangle, nahi bhai.
भाई
Delete.
नहीं चाहिए ये सब मुझे डिलीट मेरा एक स्क्वायर नहीं हो पा रहा ट्रायंगल तो तुम छोड़ दे 2 लाइन तक नहीं आ पा रही मेरी अभी
मैं
तक
बोलने वाली थी एक लाइन ही नहीं बन पा रहा है.
लाइन
Triangle.
नहीं बन नहीं
Best friend secretly being in love with you.
hmm I
I've had
mean
situations like that.
same yeah
Not
but
best friends, friends being.
friends
I
falling for
don't
you
love, but like crush. Um,
I'll keep it. I feel like the foundation is always friendship, even if you are in
yes.
relationship.
I feel like you never know what happens
Yeah,
in the future. So I
yeah,
would not let go of that friend. And if we happen to
yeah,
reconnect in the future and find love with that person,
yeah,
why? Because you
yeah,
already know he's a good person. That's why he's your friend, right?
yeah.
Best, sorry, giving up your career for love. No, I'll delete.
I have done that. Please never ever do that for anyone. Never move countries for anyone. Never, move province for anyone. Never leave your career for anyone. Please don't do it. Yeah,
I've done that as well. And same, don't do it.
yeah, don't do it. Not worth it.
No man is ever worth it. And if you think
Yeah,
he's worth it, then think again.
yeah, don't do it. ये आजमाया हुआ है हम दोनों का प्लीज मत करिएगा
So let's close with this. I think we talked about briefly, but अभी specific होके बात करते हैं कि what part of teenage girls' ideal love would you actually keep? I think we talked about not having options in 90s kind of thing, but like any
Yeah.
other idea of love would you actually keep, and or you hope that it revives, comes back?
Yeah, I think just like being ourselves, not being very calculative, like just not like going on dates for endless months and year and still figuring out sort of thing. I feel like I'm somebody who would want to keep that if you like somebody, you are all in, and then you figure out on the way, you know, how things would work out rather than very calculative in the beginning. Of course, keep your non-negotiables, but yeah, so that idea of falling in love and just
Yeah.
being there and doing it like things in present moment, I think I would want that old school love vibe.
Yeah, and I would want, not in an unhealthy way, but I would want someone to be obsessed with me in a healthy way, you know,
Yeah.
like
Yeah. They
very
should be interested in, right? Like they should be like I should be interested enough to call this person and tell them, hey, you know what, this is what is happening, or like good, bad, or there should be that kind of excitement.
Name the movie that taught you. Again, like I said, it can be any movie, Hollywood, Bollywood. What
Yeah.
love should or looks like.
I won't say it taught me, but I think that's one of the love movie which is of course have love as a theme. I really love that film, Eternal
Sunshine
Sunshine of a Spotless
Spotless.
Mind. Yeah, so that's my all-time favorite film. I think I love the emotion of that film and that how even if you're not with that person, the memory kind of stays. You can't take that out no matter how much you do.
Yeah,
So I think that is what love is for me. Yeah.
nice.
What friendship looks like to you?
Any movie?
Or
Like
generally, what friendship look like? Like what movies taught you about that?
it's a mix of many movies, I feel like, and I take like good parts from. If you talk
Yeah.
about Bollywood, I think the bro bond in Dil Chahta Hai I loved, and then
Yeah.
a few parts of Rang De Basanti.
Yeah.
um, like friendship between Amir Khan and
Yeah.
Kapoor's character and everybody.
Yeah.
That is from Bollywood, and sadly, I cannot think of any girl friendship. I Whatever I do in my girl friendship, I taught myself or learned from
Yeah.
my friends. There's no
Yeah.
Bollywood that taught me what it should look like. And in terms of Hollywood, I don't have a movie, but I have lots of series which I've seen. Like you said, Friends is one good example. The equation between Monica, Rachel, and Phoebe.
Yeah.
That, and then How I Met Your Mother, I loved. It's very underrated because How I Met Your Mother is all about like Ted and Robin and Barney, but I think
Yeah.
Lily and Robin's friendship is also
Very
very
beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah.
they get each,
Yeah.
and they're so different from each other, their ideologies in life. Like Robin is so like career oriented, doesn't want kids, marriage, and Lily is completely the opposite. She's always been
Yeah.
this girl with one guy forever.
Yeah.
She wants multiple kids, she wants marriage, and Robin is so
Yeah.
different, yet they never have conflict.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is beautifully shown and written,
Yeah.
the friendship there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
what wedding looks like, and how has that changed like over the years? That is also important.
Yeah. So this is मुझे लगता है ये sanity मेरे अंदर शुरू से थी. I never wanted a grand wedding
Yeah.
from day one. जब मुझे पता था कि शादी क्या होती है, I never wanted it. But for me, like I think the wedding which looks like, when I see it, again, like I really like intimate sort of wedding, but वो जो
I
साथिया
can
में था
guess
ना,
what you're going to say, but let's listen.
what? I
I
like
feel
intimate kind
like
of,
मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे पता है which wedding you will see.
yeah. So I
बोल.
like, in Satya, they all these friends met and, वो गए मंदिर पे, उन्होंने शादी कर ली, ठीक है, एक पेपर पे साइन कर लिया, and then they are celebrating, एक house party रख ली. So I really like that kind of wedding where it is like very intimate. So for me, like for an example, when I watched Satya, I was like, dude, this is so cute. I mean, of course, the circumstances were not cute because they were lying to their parents, So I understand this,
Yeah, yeah,
but that whole vibe was very cute for me.
yeah. Initially, I wanted when I was a teenager, and when I
Yeah.
thought that I want a man, and I mean,
Yeah.
I want a husband and kids. There was one.
Yeah.
I wanted a Karan Johar style wedding, and I used to tell
Yeah.
my dad also, I want this lehenga and all of that.
Yeah.
Obviously, that went down the drain, and thank God it did. Now, my ideal wedding would be in the end that song from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Suraj Ki Baahon.
Yeah. See, yeah.
So where Katrina and Hrithik they get married, right? There are like what, 20 people at the wedding?
Yeah.
Maybe maybe more than 20, but I'm just saying that kind of a vibe.
Right. Yeah.
Basically, I've come to realize that my wedding, I should be able to enjoy my wedding.
Yeah.
If I ever get married, I should be able to enjoy my wedding and not stress about what's happening. So yeah, no stress.
Yeah.
Very close friends and family who are actually happy for me. What heartbreak looks like?
Terrible.
No, but like, what do you think was the best way that they showed heartbreak? See,
I
इसमें
think
थोड़ा
Tamasha.
इसमें थोड़ा दिल ओहो इतना
Tamasha was a very good film which
yeah,
showed heartbreak.
you are one of those tamasha,
Yeah,
change.
I'm one of those Tamasha. I love Tamasha. I think it's
गली सोचा ना था से पसंद है.
हाँ, मुझे भी.
I love
So
such a cute film.
yeah, I think Tamasha showed heartbreak very beautifully. For that matter, Love Aajkal also showed heartbreak
And
very beautifully.
Deepika's
Yeah.
reaction after she gets married to Rahul
Yeah.
Bosis. Yeah. And she's like,
Yeah.
कुछ फंसा हुआ है जय और मेरे बीच.
Yeah.
I love that realization. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
it's beautifully shown.
It very
Because
beautifully shown.
borderline flaw in women.
That's the thing. It's just
Yeah.
real people, right? Like you are just like
Like, वो ऐसे त्याग के नहीं बैठी कि मैं अभी भी जय से प्यार करती हूँ पर मैं तुम्हारे से she was like, no, there's something that I can't like make this marriage successful, so I'm not gonna like
right.
make you terrible. I'm gonna go and talk to him.
You can name two if you want, but like which Bollywood character you could relate with as a woman,
Ooh, nice
or
one.
which love story you would want.
Okay, which character I could relate with in Bollywood? I don't know if you have watched this movie called Break Ke Baad.
Yes.
It was Imran.
Imran Khan, Deepika Padukone. Yeah.
And at that point, I was in a similar situation where I
Mhm.
wanted to go outside and study, and my then boyfriend was like, "क्यों जाना है यहीं पे रहे क्यों?" गिल्ट ट्रिप
Yeah.
दे रहा था मुझे थोड़ा सा ना. तो
Yeah.
तब मैं बड़ा रिलेट कर पाई कि यार मेरे को भी लाइक मेरे को भी जानना है, मेरे को पढ़ना है. एंड लाइक शी वांटेड टू स्टडी एक्टिंग, आई वांटेड टू स्टडी फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन, सो इट वाज लाइक अ
Yeah.
सिमिलर क्रिएटिव फील्ड एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई थिंक उससे मैं बड़ा रिलेट कर पाई. एंड
Okay.
देन my love story, we forgot to talk about this. We slightly talk about Dil Dhadakne Do. Man, Farhan Akhtar's character is Dil Dhadakne Do.
Okay.
Sunny.
Sunny.
का कैरेक्टर भाई वो जब उसको
So
सुना
that's a love story you want, or you
yeah
inspired to
between
her?
like I don't want to be married to a terrible guy before I meet Sunny, but I would want
Hmm.
Sunny because in the end Priyanka and Farhan Akhtar's
They are
character
together.
together.
Yeah.
That is the thing, and I love when he says वो तुम है क्या तुम्हें उसे तुम्हारी परमिशन की जरूरत क्यों है
जरूरत नहीं है. Yeah.
लव
Yeah.
और तब तो ऐसा वाला दिमाग था भी नहीं यार मेरा कि मुझे
Yeah.
तब भी लगता था कि मेरा पति मुझे अलाउ करेगा तुम्हें नॉट दैट एक्सटेंट बट मुझे लगता था कि या आई वुड एक्चुअली नीड टू गेट हिज सम काइंड ऑफ अप्रूवल फ्रॉम माय हस्बैंड
Validation, sort of, like he is happy about your decision and
या
everything.
इफ आई वांट टू
Full
स्टार्ट
on
माय
board.
business he's like at least being happy for me and if he's not
Yeah.
happy I might actually think of not doing it wala mindset
Yeah.
tha and then that changed but yeah that is another this is a special mention
Yeah. I think for me, I have always been able to relate, like when I watched that film Piku, because I had like
ये पीकू
same
तो
kind of
गेम है हाँ
relationship with my father when he was alive, and it was like very love and hate sort of वो चलता रहता था. So I think I was always able to relate with her as a personality also. That character. But at the same time, when I see love story, and not that I want that love story, but I see like beautifully done, was
हम्म
Lutera for me. I really loved
वो
Lutera.
सोनाक्षी वाला हाँ
Yeah, I think that part you when you said na like obsession but in a healthy way, and
हम्म
I think that that whole concept of course it is a book which they did, but that the whole concept
लास्ट
of
लीफ ना लास्ट लीफ
yeah, last leave. The whole I really loved how they did it. I loved how Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha as characters felt like so real to me. So I think Lutera is very close to my heart.
I think that was good thanks for
That was good.
talking
It was like a therapy.
yeah
I think we should do this more often.
yeah we'll do rom-com part 2 or something part 2
Yeah. Dating part
तो यार
56.
मैं बोलने वाली थी एंड ऑफ द ईयर वी शुड डू डेटिंग पार्टी और मेरे पास कोई कंटेंट नहीं होगा आई होप बोलने के लिए बट आई
मैं तो
विल हैप्पी
मुझे
टू
I
लिसन
will have a boyfriend by then. I will have a very nice
ओके
guy. मैं उसके संग जा रही होंगी parties में. So
ओके गुड देन विल गेट हिम टू द पॉडकास्ट
we'll get him to do this.
यस
Yeah.
गुड नाइस चलो
Okay. Chalo, bye. Take care.
बाय
Yeah.